often have you went to go and get some self-rising flour and all of a sudden it's gone? Well, you know what?
Not today.
I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. So it's really simple, you guys. All you need is some baking powder and some salt to put in your flour, and that's it. So let's get down to it. So for every cup of flour, and we always sift our flour. My little handle broke off, so it's, you know, kind of wonky. Kind of like me. All right. For every cup of flour, you're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, or 1/2 tablespoon, your pick. Whoops. Gosh, I'm just a mess. And then, where's that whisk of mine?
Whisk, hello, here you are.
And then just stir it around. With a little bit of things you probably have in your cupboard already and a little bit of math, you've got your self-rising flour. I'm Calamity Girl, and this is my point of view.